is Meet My Karma. This one. This is my karma. And that is your karma, love. So
Oh, yeah, that's my karma.
yeah, that is. And this is my big karma. Come on, give it to me now.
Yeah.
She's so emote. You really want to come here for hello.
Mine.
Yeah, can I taste it?
No, I'm glad I don't have to share. I'm
She
glad.
just wants a little piece. Oh, let me see. Let me taste it. I want to taste
No,
it.
nag-i-emote na to.
Just one little taste.
Nag-i-emote da.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, that's fine.
Same goes to me. Only it's
What
small.
if I look all over it?
That's not too bad.
Okay.
It's coconut.
Should I though?
Yeah, you should.
Should I though?
Okay, take it. I don't care.
Man, you kind of like, she's so stubborn.
Oh,
Here you go.
Oh,
Come on.
Shine a bite. Come on.
no phone for you for whole week. Oh.
Today's Friday.
Okay, even the computer labs, don't fix it.
I can search up.
Come on, Karma. Come on, Karma. From now on, your name to me is Karma.
Give
Come
her
on.
give her a bite.
You think it out too? I have my wish. Okay, I'm gonna give you like one piece.
Oh, no.
Give your moment.
Come on, Karma.
Really got me on. This is it. Guys, we now know who's the real adult here and who's the real kid.
No, they make me cry, love.
Hey, now, how come you
Monsters were like.
Oh, this is cold.
Yeah,
It's
it's
ice
ice
cream.
cream.
Igno?
5 times.
I'm igno again, loves. Oh, that's yummy, lovely. We're going to buy that and don't share.
What about me?
Especially to this one, emote. This, don't share to this.
Dugyot.
Dugyot, no, karma, my karma.
What about me?
A little only.
Go.
Oh, go.
Go.
I'm dying.
Alright, you can have it now. Alright.
Right at the middle.
I thought she's going to. How is it? Tastes like coffee? Of course, that is coffee. Hold on.
Oh, I just violated my
Mango.
I just violated it.
This is the tastes like the Polaris. Where is it? You have also. Coconut. Kailan lang kasi.
Hey, Carlo.
Sabi sa kailan.
You guys take forever on your.
Give it to me. Thank you. This is how Kayla doing lately. That makes me laugh. All 3 only.